Good afternoon, Cougars and parents, and welcome to week 13 of the Cougar Connection. We had a great first week of Christmas cheer here at Simons Middle School last week, and we will continue on with our holiday cheer calendar this week with several dress-up days. So just to fill everyone in on the events happening this week, Monday is going to be our Amazing Shake Round 1. This is for all 8th graders. We will have this round in the library and in the gym. So 8th grade students, please make sure you show up tomorrow ready to participate in that. Also, we will have admin team meeting at some point tomorrow, and it will be holiday sweatshirt day at SMS. On Tuesday, we will begin on-demand writing benchmarks, and that will be for all grade levels. And then we will also have PJs and socks day. So students, please make sure you wear your pajamas and some crazy socks. Wednesday will be the end of the midterm, and it will be the assessment for iReady, the diagnostics. So students, please make sure that you do your best on this. This is something that we have been announcing over the intercom for the last week. Just make sure that you try your best. It is a chance for you to get to select a different impact class, as well as get to participate in the school-wide hide-and-seek game that we will be having if you demonstrate growth in both reading and in math. And also, students, your attendance is going to be really important this week, because if you do not have those assessments finished by the time you go on your reward trips next week, you will not be eligible. So please make sure you come to school and get those taken care of. On Thursday, we'll have PLCs. It is also Holiday Decades Day, and we will continue our iReady reading assessment. On Friday, it is Bring It Friday as always. It's also Dress as Your Favorite Movie Character Day. We do have the Beta Club dance, or setting up for our winter dance, which is going to be this weekend on Saturday from 6:30 to 8:30. And then teachers, this is also when midterms are due, as well as gifted progress reports. We do have a special student spotlight this week. We do want to recognize Charlie Ricky. She is a 6th grader and a member of the Purple Parrots team. She is a member of the SMS Student Council and a member of the Santa Student Council. Charlie is an active gymnast and travels both in and out of the state competing with the Gym Dandies gymnastics team. This is her 4th year on that team, where she is competing on the gold level. Her season runs from November to June, and she's excited to compete in nationals this year at Daytona Beach, Florida. So we do want to take a moment and just thank Charlie for her compassionate heart. This week at school, she threw one of her classmates a party, and it was something that was truly heartwarming. So Charlie, thank you so much for your kind heart. We really appreciate that, and I cannot wait to see the amazing things that you will do here at Simons Middle School. Also, students, parents, don't forget, the winter formal is this weekend, and our library is still making banners and posters. We can also now make trophies, and we can also make medals if that is something that you are interested in. And then we still have sign-ups ongoing for the Indianapolis trip for 6th graders, and we do have our Bring It orders. Hopefully those will be going out before Christmas break. And that is all that we have this week for the Cougar Connection. Let's have another great week, Cougars.